Hey guys. Earlier when we were walking through the woods, I spotted a couple birch trees and peeled the bark off them. So I already have my tinder. I have some small kindling over there. Now what I'm working on is decent sized logs, so I don't have to keep running for little sticks like this trying to keep my fire going. The tools I have with me to work today is just a cheap folding Colin 180 Sierra saw. I bought this at Canadian Tire for, I don't know, 10-20 bucks or whatever. It's nothing special. The other thing I have with me is a Buck 119. Okay. I've seen people hack at trees, trying to cut trees down with just their knife. I don't have an axe today, so I'm gonna use a combination of my saw and my knife here. And I thought I'd share that with you. There's a tree right here. Okay, the top, you won't be able to see it on the video even if I move the camera, but the top is really dead. The bark's off of it, and we're going to use it as our firewood. Let's take a look at how this guy can chop. It's alright for small branches, but what about a big tree? Never really tried it before. It's kind of curious. So let's give her a try. I think I'd be at it for a while, so I'm going to move on to my saw. Right over there for now. Now before I actually fell this thing, I might have to move the camera. Actually, fall it that way. Bad sized tree. I'd say that's a good 4 or 5 inches in diameter anyways. I'm about halfway through already. It's not bad. I'm trying to cut a notch on the back. Kind of what you would do with a chainsaw to coax the tree to fall in the intended direction. There's the notch. Alright, here you want to be careful because there's a possibility the top's going to break off this thing because it's dead and looks pretty dry, so I'm going to have to be careful that the top doesn't fall on me and knock me out. Alright, here goes. There it is. The saw is definitely the quicker way. It used a lot less energy using that saw than hacking at it with the knife. I probably wouldn't even be done by now if I kept on using the knife. But I'm going to use the knife for other purposes, and we'll show you everything I use it for. So I'm going to readjust everything here, and I'll put you back on in a minute.